Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 19. Can we get combination of corrective patterns back to back? The answer is yes. This is called double 3 and triple 3, simply zigzag followed by flat or flat followed by triangle. And the double 3 example is zigzag followed by flat followed by triangle.
Code number 13. Jess Livermore said, "There's a time to go long, a time to go short, and a time to go fishing." This is another inspirational trading quote about trading less rather than more. Having a break from trading can often make you a better trader. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.